Hello, welcome to CD TechSoft YouTube video series. Today we are going to talk about AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification questions and answer. What is Amazon Elastic Container Service, and how does it support containerized application deployment? Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service that allows users to run, stop, and manage Docker containers. It simplifies the deployment of containerized applications by handling the scaling, load balancing, and scheduling of containers across a cluster of EC2 instances. How can AWS Cloud Watch alarms be used to automate responses to specific events in your environment? AWS Cloud Watch alarms can be configured to monitor specific metrics, and when a threshold is breached, they can trigger automated responses, such as sending notifications, executing AWS Lambda functions, or stopping or terminating instances, enabling automated and responsive actions. What is the purpose of AWS Key Management Service Customer Master Keys, and how do they enhance data encryption in AWS? AWS KMS Customer Master Keys are used to generate and manage data encryption keys. They enhance data encryption by providing centralized key management, audit trails, and the ability to control access to encrypted data, ensuring the security of sensitive information. How does AWS CloudFront help in securing content delivery, and what are the security features it provides? AWS CloudFront enhances content delivery security by supporting HTTPS, enabling the use of custom SSL certificates, and providing features such as signed URLs and cookies for secure access control. It also integrates with AWS WAF for additional web application firewall protection. What is the significance of AWS service level agreements, and how do they define the reliability of AWS services? AWS SLAs define the commitment of AWS to the reliability and availability of its services. They specify the guaranteed uptime and performance metrics for each service, providing customers with assurance and expectations for service reliability. Explain the concept of AWS high availability and how it is achieved in a cloud architecture. AWS high availability refers to the design and implementation of a system to ensure minimal downtime and continuous operation. Achieving high in a cloud architecture involves distributing resources across multiple availability zones, using load balancing, and implementing failover mechanisms for improved resilience. What is the purpose of AWS Elastic Load Balancing, and how does it contribute to application scalability and fault tolerance? AWS Elastic Load Balancing distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, improving scalability by efficiently distributing the load and fault tolerance by automatically routing traffic away from unhealthy targets, ensuring the availability of applications. How can AWS S3 lifecycle policies be utilized to optimize storage costs for long-term data retention? AWS S3 lifecycle policies enable the automatic transition of objects between storage classes based on predefined rules. This allows users to optimize storage costs by moving less frequently accessed data to lower-cost storage classes over time. Explain the benefits of AWS identity and access management roles and how they enhance security in AWS. AWS IAM roles allow users and services to assume temporary permissions for specific tasks. They enhance security by reducing the need for long-term access keys, supporting the principle of least privilege, and facilitating secure cross-account access. What is the purpose of AWS Lambda Edge, and how does it extend the capabilities of AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda Edge allows users to run AWS Lambda functions globally at CloudFront Edge locations. It extends the capabilities of AWS Lambda by enabling the execution of serverless functions in response to CloudFront events, such as content delivery and viewer requests. How can AWS CloudFormation templates be versioned and managed, and why is versioning important in infrastructure as code? AWS CloudFormation templates can be versioned using source code management tools such as Git. Versioning is crucial in IAC to track changes, roll back to previous versions if needed, and maintain a clear history of infrastructure modifications. What is AWS Direct Connect Gateway, and how does it simplify connectivity between multiple virtual private clouds and on-premises networks? AWS Direct Connect Gateway is a networking service that simplifies connectivity by allowing users to connect multiple VPCs to on-premises networks over a single Direct Connect connection. It streamlines network architecture and simplifies routing configurations. How does AWS Organizations enable organizations to consolidate billing and manage multiple AWS accounts effectively? AWS Organizations allows users to consolidate billing and manage multiple AWS accounts centrally. It provides a hierarchical structure for organization units, making it easier to apply policies, control access, and manage resources across accounts. What are the benefits of using AWS CloudTrail with AWS Config, and how do they complement each other in terms of auditing and compliance? AWS CloudTrail records API activity, while AWS Config records resource configurations over time. Together, they provide a comprehensive view of changes, allowing users to audit configurations, track resource relationships, and achieve compliance with security and regulatory requirements. How can AWS Web Application Firewall be used to protect web applications from common security threats, and what are some key security features it offers? AWS WAF protects web applications from common security threats by allowing users to define custom web security rules. It provides features such as rate limiting, IP blocking, and protection against SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks, enhancing web application security. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in Resume LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person online class retake options, and more. Call us at 884-948-1968 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos.